Yo, what's good? So today we're going to be reacting to 1 in a billion moments in nature. Oh, interesting. Yeah, we're just going to react some parts of the video, not all of the parts. Yeah, let's get started.
Silvers and double rainbows are your standard 1 in a million nature occurrences.
Okay.
So the clips in this video have to be 1 in a billion.
Oh dear God.
Oh my god.
If you want a perfect snowball made by Mother Nature herself, then this is where you need to go.
What? Oh. That's actually crazy, yo. What? Yo. Like, these moments are crazy, yo. Like, I'm not going to lie. Yeah. Good start to the video. Let's see more features. But wow, this is cool.
When you accidentally capture the end of the world on film.
Oh. Okay.
Looks like somebody's forgotten to switch off the bath.
Wow. What's this?
If you can outrun an avalanche, then you can officially call yourself a good skier.
Wow. Yo. This is crazy, yo. Wow.
Well, that's not weird.
Watch these walls. Oh my God, bro. What?
Wow.
Since the Titanic started the trend of hitting icebergs, every cruise ship wants a piece of the action.
Wow.
Oh my gosh!
This is crazy, yo. Look at this. Wow. I'm amazed by this video. Actually amazed. Oh, wow.
Titanic!
Looks like we've been visited by aliens from the planet Emoji.
Oh. That's actually crazy, yo. Emoji is actually...
Another water spout, this time in Cuba. The eruption is pretty sensational, but wait for the shockwave.
Watch out for the shock, it's coming.
Okay. Dong! It's so loud, bro. Yeah.
Holy.
Floods don't get much more terrifying than this.
Yo.
This is called Rainbow Island, although the only color I'm seeing is a whole lot of red.
What is this?
You've no doubt seen footage of an earthquake before, but how about an underwater earthquake?
Wow, this is crazy. In the underground.
These glowing rocks are called Uperlites, and you'll need to go to Lake Michigan to see them.
There, go pick that up.
Wow.
Wow!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the half of a rainbow you never get to see.
Wow. Yeah. Oh. Actually goes all the way around.
A bunch of rocks that just don't want to be a cliff face any longer.
Oh my god. Okay.
The world's most fashionable jellyfish.
What? Ah, yeah.
When you avoid a storm but still get front row seats. In China, one night the sky turned red.
Huh?
Nobody really knows why.
Wow.
A terrifying landslide, and a filmer who waited too long to run.
Oh, yeah, he's cooked. He is cooked.
You've heard of the man on the moon.
Oh.
Meet the man in the sun.
Pretty crazy, man.
The longest cloud of all time?
Wow. I'm just saying, wow, blood. This is cool.
Sharing your breakfast with humpbacks.
Oh.
A tunnel? Or a portal to better weather?
Huh?
Some leaves are so lazy that they just can't even be bothered to fall.
Oh, it's crazy, yo. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Yeah, see you guys next time.